Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone relying on their brother PT-P700 or PT-P750W label maker, the Dysead AC adapter. This isn't just any power supply. It's designed to keep those crucial labeling tasks running smoothly and safely. When it comes to powering sensitive electronics like label makers, reliability and safety are paramount. This Dysead AC adapter truly shines in those areas. It boasts international quality certification, assuring users that it meets top industry standards. This isn't just a marketing claim. It translates into tangible safety mechanisms built right into the unit. We're talking about comprehensive protection against short-circuiting, which can be a real headache and a potential hazard. Beyond that, it includes safeguards against overvoltage, overcurrent, and even internal overheating. These features provide immense peace of mind, knowing that the label maker and the adapter itself are protected from common electrical issues that can damage equipment or, worse, pose a safety risk. The adapter's input specifications are also quite versatile, accepting AC 102/40V at 5060 Hz. This wide voltage range means it's suitable for use in various regions around the world, making it a convenient option for travelers or those in different electrical environments. Its high power exchange efficiency is another notable characteristic. This isn't just about saving a tiny bit on your electricity bill. It's crucial for controlling the working temperature of the adapter, ensuring stable operation over extended periods. A cooler running adapter is a more reliable and longer-lasting adapter, which in turn contributes to the longevity of the label maker it powers. The Dysead brand positions itself as a provider of dependable power solutions, and this adapter for the PT-P700 and PT-P750W appears to uphold that reputation. While the product information mentions compatible devices PC and connectivity technology powerline, its primary and most critical application is clearly for these specific label maker models, ensuring they receive the precise power they need. It's always a good practice, as the manufacturer kindly notes, to double-check that you are indeed choosing the right device before purchasing any power supply. This ensures perfect compatibility and optimal performance. In essence, for anyone who frequently uses their PT-P700 or PT-P750W label maker, investing in a high-quality, safety-certified power supply like this Dysead AC adapter is a smart move. It promises stable, efficient power delivery, backed by robust safety features, allowing users to focus on their labeling tasks without worrying about their equipment. It's a reliable workhorse, designed to keep your label maker powered up and ready for action.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.